So look what came in the mail today. I've covered the address, but this is an order from the JimiSlash YouTube. And I thought I would open this up and see what I got. I know what I actually ordered. How are we going to do this? I need another hand. Let me try where it's duct taped. I'm probably going to have to cut this down quite a bit. Thank you. This is awkward to do while holding the camera or phone, as the case may be. And I don't want to cut into myself either with this.
It's a USPS box, so it's going to be like...
Ah, there we go. Looks like I cut the tab off. So I'll just yank that open. Let's see what we got here. Oh, hello. So this to me feels like the Ozark Trail flashlights or something similar. Looks like a 6 LED light. I got some paracord here. A little sucker.
Kid will appreciate that.
Ooh, bonus knife with some, looks pink in this light, but it's actually orange, I believe. Thumb stud. Old timer. Nice. Was not expecting this. The main event second, see if there's anything else in here. We got the mother load in terms of some suckers, including the mystery flavor, which I actually know on the mystery flavor on these means that they're changing from one flavor to another on the machines, and this is where the two flavors kind of mix together. So it's not that there's anything super odd there, they're just in transition, essentially, is what mystery flavor does. Nothing else in the box. It was quite well put together. Now let's see what's in the main event. Zero Tolerance. Proudly overbuilt in the USA. Zero Tolerance is the premium brand by Kershaw. And this is the infamous Zero Tolerance, or ZT0452 in carbon fiber. Feels smooth. Let's check out the action. Oh, that is nice. I have heard great things about this action. It's a frame lock, and it's on bearings. And ooh, that is smooth. So, thank you to JimiSlash for sending all this bonus goodies in with my purchase here. I'm sure I will get a lot of enjoyment out of this knife. I just wanted to show it off here first. And I do hope to eventually do some knife reviews once I figure out kind of what I'm doing on those. So thanks again.